Hello, my country people. It's your boy Bovis back again, yet with another podcast. For all my listeners who've been following me up on Twitter and all those who've subscribed to my YouTube channel, I say big ups and I say thank you. Okay, we've been quiet for some time now. You know how it is, busy here and there. So we are back again with relationship podcasts, because that's what we've been dealing with for some time now. Okay. For all those who would like to listen to the previous podcast, my Twitter handle is at the Son of a Gun, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Bovis Podcast. Okay, today's podcast we are talking about things you should never stop asking for in your relationship, or let me say things you should never stop asking in your relationship. Relationships. Okay, when somebody says a relationship, what do we get from there? Relationships are a give and a take. You give your time, your thoughts, your affection, your care and love to your partner, and you expect to receive the same in return. That is what a relationship is all about. But people are different from each other. Some of us give more, while others give less. Yeah, that's right. Some expect to receive more, while others are satisfied with the less that they are given. That's how relationships are all about. Do not wait for your partner to read your mind. Okay? Do not wait for your partner to read your mind. You should not assume to say your partner is in a tune with you or with your wishes and your needs, and you know everything, or he or she knows everything that you want and expect at all times. It's funny, if we all learned how to express what we need in good words, we would be much happier. So many relationships have failed because neither of them or neither of both sides have taken time to ask what they needed from each other. People are too afraid to ask because they think they should not. And that is wrong. Or let me say, that is fatal. Not only should you ask, you need to ask. In fact, there are some things that you should never stop asking in your relationship. And this is what this podcast is all about. We are going to talk about a few things that you should never stop asking in your relationship. As we've done for the previous podcast, after the listeners listen to this podcast, you are free to drop your comments, you are free to drop your views, and we share them on the next podcast. So I just came up with a few points of things you should never stop asking in your relationship. Number 1, consideration. What do I mean when I say consideration? Did you not say being in a relationship with someone means that you are taken into account, that your ideas should be heard and your opinion should be considered. Of course, you can make decisions on your own to make things more efficient, but you must be part of the important decisions. Figure out what are those important decisions in your relationship. Do not be afraid that your partner knows that you want to be more important or you want to make the important decisions. Come out clean, come out open, because you being considered, you asking to be considered in a relationship will make your relationship grow more stronger. You tell me what you think. The second thing is empathy. Empathy. What do I mean when I say empathy? Feelings and emotions are incredible. Okay? Are incredible as in they are an incredible phenomenon. Sometimes when you get over emotional, people will tend to write you off as being emotional or stupid. We've heard that so many times. But Jabali emotional. That one is too emotional. Some even tell you to be stupid. That's why your partner should step in. When your feelings and your emotions are causing you to be unreasonable, for lack of a better term, then your partner should be there to empathize with you. You have to hear someone, or you have to be with someone whom will show you overwhelming, or who can share overwhelming emotions with. Your partner has to be there for you. You cannot afford to be dealing with your emotions on your own. That's where you really need your partner. So never stop asking for that. Never stop asking for empathy. Okay. The other thing I really looked into when it comes to things you should never stop asking in your relationship, something new. You should never stop asking for something new. Spontaneity. Relationships should never be in a constant route, like you're just stagnant, every day doing the same things. You should ask for something new. Relationships will begin to fall apart at the moment we settle for things as they are. This does not mean that you should not be happy with how things are now, but you should always go further for more. Just like life. You can't be happy with a tiangwacha that you have in your pocket. You still want more. You should seek to continue experiencing more new things together. In order to keep the spark or the flame the flame burning in your relationship, you should be involved. Must always learn to appreciate the simplicity of your everyday lives. But there must also be a willing to go for exploitations together. I hope I'm making things easy and clear. What is the purpose of your relationship? If it's getting married, having children, and growing old together, your relationship will fail. The big goals are very important, but more important are the small goals that we can create on a daily basis. Passion is nourished. Comfort is what kills her. If your relationship is beginning or is starting to be a bit dull, do not be afraid to ask your partner for some spice to spice and smoothen everything up. For today, I'll only talk about those 3 things you should never stop asking for in your relationship. Thank you. Drop your comments. Drop your views. It has been your boy Bovis, yet with another podcast. For now, we say voila. Bye-bye. Finito.